So hello everyone, in this video we are going to set up our Firebase to use the sign in with Google functionality in our application. So that is going to be the next video, sign in with Google functionality. But in this video we are going to set up the Firebase for that. So for that what you need to do first is that you need to log in with your account in the Firebase. After logging in you need to press the add project button and name anything like login page. Okay, let's go. After that, you can enable or disable the Google Analytics as per your choice. So I'm disabling it. Then I will click on the create project. So it will take some time to create your Firebase project. Then click continue. And inside your project, you need to click on Flutter. Then it will tell you to install the Firebase CLI. So click on Firebase CLI and it will redirect you to the installation page. On that page you can see here various options for installing CLI. So according to your version, follow the steps to install the Firebase CLI in your desktop. After installing Firebase CLI, it will ask you to install the Flutter SDK, which we have already done, and create a project in Flutter, and we have created both of these. After installing the Firebase CLI, you have to run this command, which is Firebase login. So open the CMD and run this command. Now I am already logged in my Firebase CLI account, but in case you are not logged in, then it will basically guide you through the steps which you need to follow to log in into your Firebase account. So just simply follow that and log in and then close this. So click on next, then it will ask you to activate the Flutterfire CLI. So just simply copy this code, then open your CMD. Also you can see here that it is asking to open the CMD from any directory that we want. So I just simply open my CMD and here I will run this command. It will take some time to run and you can see that it has activated the Flutterfire CLI here. So close this. After activating Flutterfire CLI, just simply copy this code below and go to your VS Code. Then simply open a terminal by clicking here new terminal and paste this code. So basically this is asking us for which platforms do we need to access the Firebase. So normally we do this for Android and iOS only, but in case you are building for macOS and web, so you can use up and down arrow, and to uncheck this you can press the space button like this. So now press enter. So it will take some time to set up. So basically this is asking for the permission to update the build.gradle file. So simply press yes and yes, here you are done. Here you will notice that it has generated a Firebase options.dart file. So basically this contains all the information regarding your Firebase setup and all the project related things. Also it is showing us an error, which is basically we haven't yet included the Firebase code dependency into our pubspec.yaml file. So just simply click to this bulb icon. First go here, then simply click on the bulb icon. Then it will give you the option to add Firebase code to dependencies. So simply select that and wait for some time to run the Flutter pubcat. So yes, here you can see. Now coming back to the Firebase console, click here next, and then it will ask us to initialize the Firebase by copying this code into our main.dart. So just simply copy this and then in our main.dart file, paste here. Here also you will need to import the options file. Done. Also because we are using await here, we need to set the main method as async like this, and here firebase.initializer. So done. So yes, when our main function will be called, it will initialize the Firebase in our application. In the next video we will be enabling Google sign-in method into our application. So yeah, see you all in the next one.